Hello and welcome to this delightful meditation that will guide you along a beautiful beach walk, allowing you to deeply relax. Let me be your guide on this mental vacation. Get into a comfortable seated position, preferably your favourite spot, so that you're able to remain undisturbed for the duration of this session. Take a deep breath in to relax you and exhale tension and worry as you softly close your eyes. Use the power of your imagination to visualize a beautiful beach with white sand reflecting in the sunlight. It almost looks like snow. You see the turquoise waters fade to a deep blue as the ocean gets deeper. Walk along this beach, allowing each step to relax you more and more. You see a perfect chair has appeared just for you, facing the ocean. So have a seat and recline back. You can see the horizon of the ocean melting with the sky. The clouds are gliding along ever so slowly on a bright blue backdrop. No one's around you. It's peaceful, relaxing. It's gorgeous. Feel the serene sun on your skin, kissing you with nutrients. Notice the warm sand under your feet. It is soft and grounding. Allow your breaths to become a little bit deeper and heavier. Listen to the calming sound of the air coming in and out. It's similar to the sound of the waves crashing on the shore. Take a long, deep breath in through your nose while imagining the waves, and a long, deep exhale out. The waves are coming in and out, just like your breath. Focus intently on the relaxing and calming sound of the waves. Gaze out upon the ocean in front of you. See the crystal clear waters rippling in the beach wind and reflecting the rays of light, making the surface of the water dance. If your mind starts wandering and you see some negativity or worry shows up, breathe into it. Let a wave come and take that thought back out to the ocean as you exhale. Take a deep breath in. Feel that you and the wave are one and the same. Exhale a long breath out. Feel the sensations of your worry and negativity flush away, dissolving, becoming less distracting in your mind. Repeat this beautiful process of letting go. Deep breath in, into the waves. Deep breath out. Feel the sound of your worry and negativity being washed away. Let it all go. One last time, so make the most of it. A deep breath in. The waves are coming in. Let them recollect all of your negative thoughts and worries. And slow, long breath out. Feel them crashing and disappearing. Let them be carried away from you. Feel how you are finally freeing yourself from all that anxiety and stress. Experience the feeling of being brand new, recharged, rejuvenated, lighter. Now take in all the positive vibes of this scenario. The sunlight, the calming waters, the warm and reassuring sand, the rhythm of the waves taking away anything that does not serve you, leading you to the most relaxed version of yourself, with a new and improved positive attitude to live the rest of your life with pure intention, positivity, and peace. Take one more calming and relaxing breath. A long breath in. Feel the peace flowing deeply within you, all through your body. And exhale. Release into relaxation. Whenever you are ready, return your awareness to the present moment and open your eyes. Seal in your practice with a thank you. As I thank you for taking this time to meditate with me.